I think I found not only a product that I'm gonna love, but might be the perfect gift for your barbecue buddy, the new GrillBot. Think Roomba for inside your grill. Take it out of the cover, charge it up. Don't worry, it will not overcharge. It has sensors for that. Comes with a charger, warranty information, instructions. Let's get this baby charged up and see what it can do. As long as your grill is under 200 degrees and it has sensors to let you know if it's too hot. And now I specifically left my Monument grills dirty after last night's cook. I'm gonna set it for 30 minutes and I'm gonna let it crab its way. It crabs its way around town. And it's gonna clean your grill, no elbow grease required. The computer is gonna do its thing, close the lid, 30 minutes, you're ready to roll. All right, you can see my grill is kind of dirty. Place it right in the middle. Now, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. All right, time to start crabbing. From the comfort of my own home. I don't even have to clean my own grill with elbow grease. It's been 30 minutes. It stopped automatically. You could see it cleaned off a ton of the grime. It actually did a really, really good job. Now these immediately pop off and you can pop them in the dishwasher. This little gadget, not too shabby. Give them a look. Give them a look. Seriously, GrillBot, good job.